Okay, so I've purchased the iPhone 15, you can see it right in front of me, but what is actually something I don't like about it is that it just changes the brightness automatically on its own. Like, sometimes it's higher, sometimes lower. I don't like it. I want to make it constant. So how do you do it? First of all, on the iPhone 15, you open up the settings like this, and when you scroll down a bit more, you're going to notice that there is the display and brightness section. So you would naturally go ahead and click on that, but you can change the brightness, but for whatever reason you don't have the automatic brightness toggle in here. So it's definitely weird. I don't know why they didn't put in here. Instead, you have to come back and open up the accessibility section like this and click on display and text size. So if you go in here, you can turn on the bold text, button shapes and stuff like this. But if you scroll down all the way to the bottom, there is the auto brightness. So you can turn it off like this, and now you can be sure that your iPhone will never switch or adjust the brightness without your permission on its own, without you even knowing why it happened to begin with. So that's how it works. You can see that it can also affect the battery life, because it really depends. If you just keep it at low, it's not going to affect the battery, or if you keep the brightness at low points, it's going to affect it in a positive light. If you don't do it that way, it's going to affect it in a negative light. So yeah, it depends, but this is how you can do it. For now, this is going to be everything. But before I wrap up the video, I need to let you know about the Foxtecc educational platform, which you can join by clicking on the link down below in the description. It is free to join, and there you can find full setup guides and different type of stuff for iPhone and how you can set it up to make it sure it works the best. So definitely something to pay attention to and to look at. It's free to join, but for now, thanks a lot for watching. We'll see you guys later in the future. Peace out until then.